This is the Tineco Floor 1 S5 model. We have absolutely loved having this around to clean up our messes. That you can see I have a nice big mess there on the floor with oatmeal and juice and who knows what else. But one thing I love about this model is you can take this part off and there's an attachment that turns it into a handheld vacuum. So you can turn it on, you can do couches, stairs, anywhere you want to have a nice lightweight vacuum and not have to take your big thing all around with you. It snaps back in super easily. Just have to make sure it's all lined up. But this is a wet dry vac. It does come with cleaning solution that you put into the thing. Here you'll see once I turn it on, it will show you the battery life. It'll also have red around the edges if it's dirty, and then it will turn blue once the mess has been cleaned up. It does have a charging port that you can put it on to charge. There you can see it's detecting some mess, and already as it's sitting on that spot, it's cleaning it up. But it does have a charging port where you set it on the charger and it will automatically clean the brush head if that detects that it needs to be cleaned. It picks up super well. This was oatmeal and I think water that were on my floor. We have small children, so having something like this that is really lightweight and easy to get out and use is super nice. This is self-propelled, so you're not going to be using a ton of arm muscle as you're going around doing your house. But there you can see everything is all blue now. I just turned it to the max setting, so it does have a max clean. There, we turned it off and are just going to set it back. But absolutely love this machine. It has done so well for our little family and to be able to pick up messes nice and quick. I also wanted to show you real quickly the attachments that come with the vacuum for the handheld vac part. So all of it just attaches like that, but there's a more narrow nozzle, and then there's this one with the brush head. You can take that off, and then it's just a flat piece that you can use. I love how quickly everything puts together. You can assemble it, and it stores really nicely on this little tray, so you can keep everything nice and organized.